Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Let's walk you through the interpretation and the correction for this bug. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. Let's now correct the code and take a look at the resulting outcome. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.